All right, guys, I got a quick update that I really have to share with you because there are some really cool, useful tools out here that if you know how to use them well, which we're going to dive into right now, it's going to make your whole experience launching on Asteroid Protocol so much simpler, especially when we're talking about using the testnet or using the mainnet for the launch pad, and of course, so much more. So let's dive in. First things first, if you're on asteroidprotocol.io, of course, you can always jump into the app, take a look at new collections, trending collections, top collections, and so forth. As you guys know, you can always mint tokens, inscriptions, and so forth. Bridge your tokens over to Neutron to use on Astroport. But what we're going to do today is we're going to actually look more at the docs. We've got a lot of updates going on for the docs, but there's a major reason. So let's say you click into the docs found right here at the bottom of the page. And of course, you can also click on learn more right at the very, very front. Right here, learn more, it will take you to the docs. So let's dive into the docs. So when you're in the docs, you can see all of the different things you can actually do with this API. So you can take a snapshot of the CFT20 token holders perhaps, and or collection holders, right? This would be for the CFT20s. And what you want to do is you want to copy and paste this, and you see the word stake here. You want to replace that with the particular ticker of the token you're looking for. So when you head over here, you want to highlight and delete anything that may be in this tab here, this area here, this field, and you paste that in there, and you can replace this with the name of your ticker. Now, how do you find the name of your ticker? Of course, when you're on Asteroid Protocol, you can go to tokens and you can look for the ticker symbol, which is right here, all caps right there. You want to copy and paste that into this area and click run, and you'll get the holders of that particular token. Okay. Now, the one I really want to show you, because it's so specifically important for this launchpad, is the ability to get all the holders, the wallets of a hold of collections or tokens. Okay. So let me go back over here. You can, of course, find, let's say, a snapshot of all the CFT20 holders right here. You can get, of course, a snapshot of collection holders, which the information for that will be right here. You copy all of this and you simply replace this. Let's copy that. You replace the name, this ticker, with the name of the collection that you're looking for. So if I copy and paste this information here, let's do this, and I replace it like that. Whatever token you're looking for, whatever collection you're looking for, you want to type that right there and click run. So let's just do one quickly right now. Let's go to inscriptions and see what's new or trending. Let's go to top. Let's see new, and let's go to, let's see if there's anything interesting here. Okay, stamps. Let's click on stamps, all right? So stamps, the ticker for stamps, you can find that in the URL. It is stamp. So we're going to copy that in the URL at the top of the page, right? It is called stamp, right? Let's look at these stamps, and let's copy that, and let's head over here and let's replace the name of this particular collection with stamp, and we'll click run. And now we're going to get a populated field of all of the holders of these assets. Now, some of these wallet addresses may be repeated multiple times, and that's because that particular wallet holds multiple assets. But nonetheless, you can click through here and here to go to the table view to find all of the wallets, and you can clearly just copy that and paste it into your own spreadsheet, so you have all of the tokens, all of the holders of a particular token or collection right at your disposal. And what you can do then is when you go to the launch pad and you click create and you create a collection. Now let's say you want to create a public launch where you want to create different tiers. And well, what you can do is, of course, in stage 2, what you want to do is you want to actually use those wallets that you created. Once you've set all your parameters, the title, the amount, when it reveals, the cost, the description, the maximum per mint, such and such, the start date, the end date. Optionally, you can also add whitelisted wallets. So all of the wallets that you want that are to be associated with a particular stage. Of course, you can also add stages. As you guys know, you can add stages such as first come, first serve, things of that nature, public. You can grab all of those wallets from this list and paste them into this area so that you can create a launch pad with your own personal set of rules, let's say, and requirements to get on any particular stage. So let's just click on one of these collections here, and you'll see that there are 1, 2, 3 different phases for this. Okay, let's go back to the Launchpad and check another collection, and you can see there are 2 phases. So there's the OG mint. There must have been some type of requirement for OGs, right? And this is super cool. So I want to show you this, guys. I wanted to show you this because I feel like there's a lot of really, really good data here. Let's see what else you can do super quickly. You can find the price of any CFT20 token. And I want to make it clear that when you do this, of course, you're going to copy this just like you did the previous ones, but you're going to replace this number with the specific ID of your token that you're looking for. So in this case, 1 is Roids because Roids was created first. So if you want to find that out, you can head over to Asteroid Protocol, go to tokens, and you can see the name right here. The unique identifier is right there for these particular tokens. So find your token, type in the ticker symbol right there, and find the ID, the number for that, and you can replace that right here with the number, and of course you can find the holders of your token. Now let me make it clear as well that, well, this is the price, pardon me, this is the price of your token. I want to make it clear that there are 6 decimals on the price, okay, in atoms. So just do be careful, watch those decimals. All right, and this also when you're looking for tokens, the holders of CFT20 tokens, this does not include tokens that have been bridged to Neutron to get into Astroport DeFi. So you would have to check Mint Scan if you wanted to find the holders of your token that have bridged over to Neutron. That's a quick heads up on that. But let's quickly run through super quickly what else you can do. You can find the hash or the ID of all inscriptions that you've created. So you simply would do that. And here you would paste your Cosmos wallet address. Super, super simple to do. You can also check the top 10 NFT inscriptions that have been sold on the platform. Super, super simple. You see the limit is 10 right there, right? You can view the metadata of an inscription. Also super, super simple. Guys, I want you to dive into this and use this tool and use these tools however you need to make your launches much better, because when this Launchpad goes live, currently on testnet, let's go back to the collections, right? When this thing goes live, I anticipate people will want to whitelist and create different tiers. So this is the best way to do it. As usual, check us on X if you're watching this on X. If you're watching this on YouTube, then check us on X. If you're watching it on X, then check us on YouTube. And why not follow us and subscribe on all platforms. Join the Telegram, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.